In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to manually install Epson L3216 printer driver in your Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's dive in quickly to the process. So firstly, you need to proceed at the description box below. You'd be able to see a link there. Please copy it. And here at the Google Chrome, paste here at the address bar the link that you have copied. And you'll be able to see this kind of page. So here you'd be able to see a drop-down menu. Select your operating system, click on this down arrow key and choose for Windows 11, and there you can see printer driver, click on download, and before you can download it, it will ask you to agree on the license agreement, just click on accept. So in my case, I have already downloaded this one, but in your case, if you haven't yet, then download it. Once completed, navigate to the top right corner, you can see there are three dots, click on it, proceed to downloads. Here at the downloads, you need to find your downloaded file, okay? Which is this one. Please click on this folder icon to show it into the location where it is being placed to or saved to. The next step that you need to do is while selecting it, make a right click and then click on this cat icon, then close the windows being opened. Here at the desktop, make a right click and click on paste. So once you have successfully moved the file here, you need to double tap to extract or unzip the file, or either make a right click and use the WinRAR tool to extract this one. So go with WinRAR and please choose for extract to L3210 or L3216 since L3210 supports with L3216. So by that, once a new file folder has been created, we will now proceed to the installation. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do subscribe and give this video a thumbs up so you won't miss any of our upcoming tutorial. So to install, here at the start, make a right click, scroll up and click on settings. Once you're at the settings, please directly proceed to the Bluetooth and devices. Click on that one and find for printers and scanners. And there you can see this option called Add Device. Click on this one and wait until you can reveal another option where you can manually add a printer driver. Once it's here, click on Add Manually. And in a few moments, you'll be able to open another window where you can find a printer by other options. Once it's here, please choose for add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Then click on next, click on this down arrow key, and please choose among of these three. It could be one, two, or three. So go with next, and then click on have disk and click on the browse. So store extracted file is being placed at the desktop. Then we need to navigate there. Scroll down on the list of desktop, double tap to the extracted file, double tap again until you'd be able to see these three drivers. So select any of this, click on open and click on OK. And there you can see that one. Click on next and please rename it. So in my case, I'll be setting L3216. So by that, click on next and you can now start the installation. Kindly wait until this would be done. Once done, click on next. Click on finished and there you have that you have just successfully installed this Epson EcoTank L3216 printer driver in your Windows 11. So if you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day everyone.